Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of list box in QlikView. So I have basically loaded a data named as Office City Sales. This is basically the sales data of an office. I'll just right click over here. I'll go to the new sheet object. I'll click on the list box. So you can create a list of your own, whichever you want. So I'll just give the name as Office Sales. Then we'll modify some tabs. Over here in expression tab, I'll add an expression as say we want sum of from the table named as Office City Sales and Office Sales, paste it, click on OK, go to this general tab, then expression sort, we'll keep it as it is, then go to this presentation. So alignment, you can select left aligned, center aligned. So I'll represent it in the form of center aligned. So if you want to change the background, you can change it. So I'll change this to Times New Roman. Want to create a list box times. I'll select this, make it as 10. Layout should be normal. If we want to change the scroll color also, we can change it. Background, click on OK. Caption, if you want to write the caption, I'll keep it as it is. Office Sales. So I have clicked on the special icon named as search, so we can type it. So this is basically the list box which has been created over here, as we have selected so whenever I'll click on this, other will make it as 0. So it is going to only highlight this. Only this is going to be highlighted. So whichever color I have chosen, accordingly it is going to take. So if I want to click on this particular icon, if I want to see any specific market region, say I want to see west, so it is going to show me west. So when I click, so it is going to show me. Say I want to see east, so it is going to show me east. Likewise, this is the use of this list. So I hope you have understood how to create a list box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.